What's up guys, this is Kyle here from the Code Conspiracy, and in this Dreamweaver tutorial we're going to be using a little bit of Fireworks or some kind of picture editing program to show you guys how to make a gradient background. So if we come over here to Fireworks document and make the width, we're going to make this 20 width and 100 high. And what that does is we're going to make a gradient by coming to the gradient tool, and we'll just use a basic gradient at the moment, and we'll come over to the layer, make a new layer, and with the gradient tool we can do this in Photoshop as well. We can just drag the line down until you can see that the line is actually dead straight down, so there's no like pixelated lines, it's just dead straight like that. If we let go now, you can see we've got a gradient. So if we come to our gradient and move this up a little bit and make that so it finishes in white. So if we save this real quick to our root folder of our website, in our images folder, can't be bothered naming it, so I'm just going to come to design, and what we can do is we can come up to modify page properties and come down to the background image. You're going to hit this button here that says browse and come down to the images and find our untitled.png and then click choose. And so if we click apply now, you can see that it's repeated all like that. But we want to come to the repeat and repeat X, because X is the horizontal axis, so basically like a horizontal line, and Y is dead straight upwards. So if we repeated Y and clicked apply, you can see that we get that effect, which we don't want. We want to repeat X, and if we click apply now, you can see that we've got a gradient across the top, which gives a gradient background as such. But if we come to Fireworks, I can show you that if we modify canvas and canvas size and make this like 600 and delete that and make another new layer, and I'm just going to change the color, and I'm going to drag this all the way down here like that. Then I'm just going to drag a line down so you can see that it's dead straight. And we're just going to come here and save. Now if we come to Dreamweaver, you can see that we've got some sort of line here going on. This is more like a gradient background, but if we come to modify page properties and change the background color to the very bottom color, this color here, and click apply, it's going to continue the gradient on. So say we had white and click apply, you can see there's a bit of a difference. But if we come down to the background color, you can combine the gradient repeated on the x-axis with the background color to make it look like it's one big picture. So we click the final color and click apply, and there we go. We've got a gradient background in Dreamweaver CS5 for our website. This is it for this tutorial, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe, comment, and rate.